Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features of two popular dash cams, the REDTIGER Dash Cam and the SUVCON Dash Cam. Today, we'll explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one fits your needs best. Let's get started. The REDTIGER Dash Cam offers a stunning 4K resolution for front recording, ensuring that every detail is captured clearly. In contrast, the SUVCON Dash Cam records at a maximum resolution of 1080p. This difference in video quality can significantly impact the clarity of your recordings, especially in critical situations. While the REDTIGER Dash Cam provides front and rear recording, the SUVCON Dash Cam takes it a step further with its triple-channel setup, capturing the front, rear, and interior views. This feature can be particularly beneficial for monitoring all angles of your vehicle, providing comprehensive coverage. When it comes to pricing, the REDTIGER Dash Cam is priced at $199, making it a premium option with advanced features. On the other hand, the SUVCON Dash Cam is much more affordable at $69, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious consumers. However, it's essential to weigh the features against the cost to determine the best value. In conclusion, both the REDTIGER and SUVCON Dash Cams offer unique features that cater to different needs. The REDTIGER excels in resolution and advanced features, while the SUVCON provides excellent value for those seeking a budget-friendly option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.